Hi there, and today I want to tell you about CardStack project. And first, let's say you a few words about project team. Founder and CTO Christopher Tse. Christopher is the co-founder and CTO of both Dot Blockchain Media and Monograph Inc. He was previously a senior director, head of RD at McGraw Hill Education, and senior director of innovation at Business Week. Uh, Lead developer is Ed Faulkner. Ed is the co-founder and CTO of Polynomial and Braveleaf and has experience in leveraging open source development for businesses. Senior blockchain developer Hassan Abdel Ahman. Hassan is a former senior software engineer at Monograph and previously the principal engineer at McGraw Hill Education, and data scientist Justin Tong. Justin is an academic who has transitions into this role at CardStack and don't mind this so much as his previous research, especially at Mimus Berhard, where he researched singular value decomposition SVD for application of linear least squares, best rank approximation of large matrix, and assumption of stability of different algorithms. It's very relevant and beneficial for this project. Okay, and what is CardStack? CardStack is an open source framework and consensus protocol that makes blockchains usable and scalable for the mass market, creating a decentralized software ecosystem that can challenge today's digital superpowers. Problem. The current state of the application ecosystem means that there is an app for almost anything you can think of. Often those applications have overlapping features, and the user can have a large number of applications which each require separate account in order to use each particular application. For users who have adopted decentralized application (DApps), this has brought a whole new set of problems, often having to acquire and manage different utility tokens in order to conduct transactions with each DApp. Solution. CardStack reorganizes application, removing silos and allowing native cloud and decentralized apps to form a software stack with application being able to integrate with one another. This means that users can optimize their software stack to fulfill their particular needs and combining the best features of each approach. CardStack claimed to be able to bring a blockchain to mainstream users through the full-stack application framework. Users' interface and workflows are broken down into smaller pieces of or card that can be personalized for each user. CardStack is building an experience layer for users through open source software which offers the following benefits. Creators of software rewards and compensation for software developers distributed fairly using a new economic model. Buyers of application enter into smart contracts with developers which covers all the costs associated with deploying and running the application. Developers are also compensated with a split of royalties for creating and maintaining the components of the application. Users. CardStack breaks down the silos of apps, allowing users to access particular functionality across different applications when required. They propose that with the fluidity of token bucket application, we can move beyond the one icon per app businesses arrangement of the current mobile and cloud world. Current state of product. The CardStack token mechanism is currently on the Ethereum testnet. CardStack have shipped a full stack of dApps with Git as the core, and as the dApp ecosystem matures, CardStack will allow new dApps to easily plug into the card system. Also, on the website you can find a link to GitHub and check all the last updates, and check all whole project development stage. Packages, you see 6 days ago last updates. Okay, and let's say about token usage. Token usage can be obtained either through the CardStack ICO or post ICO via peer-to-peer transaction on or on exchange. When required, card tokens can be redeemed for software and services coupons that are sent to app contract. These coupons are locked in a reward pool until a block-based timer releases them at the next reward allocation cycle. When a user starts using the app's data regarding this usage is sent to the app contract. This data, together with other data collected throughout this cycle, determines a fair allocation of rewards to makers and miners within the CardStack ecosystem. Users can stake tokens in the voting pool in order to participate in governance of the CardStack ecosystem, a variant quadratic coin lock voting proposed by Vitalik Buterin. And here you see a simple video where you can check a token mechanism. A token will be called as a card, and at the final I want to tell you some use cases for CardStack user cases, and decentralized content authority and workflows. CardStack is building the engine for multi-publisher content network, allowing publishers the ability to monetize, syndicate, and promote content on the blockchain. Decentralized music metadata registry. CardStack has partnered with Blockchain Media and building a decentralized network built on Intel's Hyperledger Thumbtooth to provide fair compensation for artists. Decentralized digital art trading. Monograph has used the Bitcoin blockchain to register and track provenance of digital art. CardStack are working to port the Monograph catalog to an Ethereum-based smart contract, so art can be bought, sold, or traded as ERC20 tokens. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.